Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Okay. Today I will teach you English rhyme and our English rhyme name is Two Little Dickie Birds. So Two Little Dickie Birds. So we'll start. Okay. So all of you stand up. Good. Now we will sing this song. So you have to do the action along with this song. So student, come on, stand up. We'll start and repeat after me. सबको मैम के पीछे पीछे बोलना है. तो सब मैम के साथ बोलेंगे ना. Are you ready? So we'll start. Okay. Two little Dickie bird. This is bird. Okay, this is two birds, one bird and two birds. So we'll start. Two little Dickie bird. Come on, say all of you. Two little Dickie bird. Come on, repeat. Two little Dickie birds. Okay. Now we go to the next line. Two little Dickie birds sitting on a wall. Very good. Once again we will do. Two little Dickie birds sitting on a wall. Very good. Repeat after me. मैम के साथ फिर से बोलेंगे. Two little Dickie birds sitting on a wall. Very good. Now we'll go to the next line. One named Peter.
One named Peter.
One named Paul.
One named Paul.
Very good. Once again. One named Peter.
One named Peter.
One named Paul.
One named Paul.
Very good. We'll start from the beginning. हम शुरू से start करेंगे. फिर मैम के पीछे पीछे आपको बोलना है. Repeat after me, okay? हाँ. Two little Dickie birds sitting on a wall. Two little Dickie birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter. One named Paul. Very good. Now we'll go to the next line. Fly away, Peter. Repeat after me. मैम के साथ बोलेंगे. Fly away, Peter. Very good. मैम के समान एक्शन कर रहे. फिर से once again repeat. Fly away, Peter. Very good. Now the next line. Fly away, Paul. Very good. फिर से मैम के साथ फिर से एक और बार. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Very good. Now we'll go to the next line. Come back, Peter. Come on, say. Come back, Peter. Very good. Come back, Paul. Very nice. Come back, Paul. Very good. Come on, we will repeat this rhyme from the beginning. Come on, start. Two little Dickie birds. Two little Dickie birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter. One named
come.